In a continuation of the material topic, we want to explain how to animate textures. For example, in this photo, we have a line image from our YouTube channel, and we want to show photo on TV like this. It has an animated in the y-axis. Okay, back to software. I imported the TV from library and put a plane on it, and with the scale I feed it to the TV. Click on a material picker and then click on a plane to show the material settings. In a texture field, import a desired photo. Just make sure the color is white and bright to see the texture. Okay. In a scale section, you can enlarge or reduce the size of the image. The desired number is 0.72. Okay, we type this number. And click anywhere in the software to number. In a more section, in a rotate section, which is for rotating image, the desired number is 270 degrees. In the axis section, you can control amount on the stretch of the photo in a different direction. In the direction of the x-axis, desired number is 2.22. And in the direction of the y-axis, the desired number is 0.38. Okay. Now, in a speed section, you can animate the image in the direction of the two axes, x or y, as you can see. Along the y-axis, the desired number is 0.005 for a little small speed, and you can see you can use this technique for these cases. Or, for example, to move water texture on a river. Hello, my friends. To continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.